Did you know that food culture in Israel is influenced by agriculture, religion, food access, and politics? Did you also know that Israeli foods include lots of tasty Mediterranean-style dishes? Hi, I'm Michaela Thomas, a senior dietetic student at Virginia Tech. I'm going to tell you about some easy and exciting ways to add a Mediterranean flair to your diet. The Mediterranean culture is a good example of MyPlate. Diets from Mediterranean countries, including Israel, are flavorful and high in fruits and vegetables, nuts, whole grains, healthy oils, and fish, and help keep your heart healthy. In Israel, salad is eaten with most meals. Salad doesn't just have to be a bowl of lettuce, but can be any combination of fruits and vegetables. You can make this cauliflower salad by thawing a bag of frozen cauliflower and mixing it with red pepper, onion, olive oil, vinegar, lemon juice, and a few spices. This easy tomato and cucumber salad is a staple at many Israeli meals. It's a great way to add vegetables into your day, and it only takes about 10 minutes to make. Eating beans and nuts can help you feel full throughout the day. One way that many Israelis incorporate beans is with hummus. You can make this dip at home by blending a can of chickpeas with a spoonful of olive oil, some lemon juice, tahini or peanut butter, and a pinch of salt. Try dipping veggies in your hummus instead of chips for a tasty snack. For more information about food culture in Israel and to see these recipes, check out our blog at the link below this video. There are many ways to eat smart around the world. MyPlate-inspired dishes from Israel are a tasty way to liven up your cooking and celebrate foods from other cultures. Thanks for watching!
For more ways to eat smart and move more, visit our website.